Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix payment method verification required issue in App Store. So guys, if you are trying to download apps from your App Store on your iPhone but you are facing this pop-up again and again and you are unable to download apps, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, if you want to fix this issue, you have to simply verify your billing information on your Apple device. So guys, for that, if you want to verify your billing information, you have to simply open settings in your device first, and then you have to tap on your profile, and then you have to scroll it below and tap on media and purchases, and then tap on view account and wait here for some seconds. And now you have to simply go to your country or region from here and wait here for some seconds. And you have to simply verify your country or region first from here. So tap on change country or region, select your current country or correct country from here. So guys, here I am selecting this one, and now tap on agree. And from here you have to simply verify your billing information from here. So as you can see this, you have to simply select your debit or credit card from here. Then you have to verify your card number from here, then date of expiry, and then security code from here. And then you have to verify your billing name. You have to verify your first name, then surname, and then you have to simply verify your billing address from here. And then you have to simply verify your city name, your postcode, and in the end you have to simply verify your phone number from here. So guys, basically you have to simply verify all of this, and after this you have to simply save this information in your device. So guys, simply save this information in your device, and after this restart your iPhone or other Apple device, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your Apple devices. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.